Okay, I want to show you how to set up GNU Octave. So it will automatically load packages for us every time we start up Octave. So on your desktop at this point you should have two icons, GNU Octave CLI, that's the command line version, and then a GNU Octave GUI, or the GUI version, or the graphical version, and that'll be the version that we want to run almost all the time. As a matter of fact, you can probably just delete the CLI icon off your desktop. These icons should appear in your start menu as well under, I guess it's GNU Octave, so under yeah, so it appears under GNU Octave. And yes, I am saying GNU. GNU and GNU Octave is an acronym, and it's pronounced GNU, although the African animal is pronounced new. So I've started up the graphical version of Octave here. I can get a list of available packages by just typing package list. And again, there are a bunch of packages that are available. In order to use a package, I actually have to load it. And so for the statistics package, I have to type package load statistics. I get a warning here, but I think I can safely ignore that. Now if I do a package list, I'll see next to statistics a little asterisk. That means that the statistics package has been loaded. You'll see it's also, the statistics package had a dependency on the IO package, so it automatically loaded the IO package. And we'll be making heavy use of this statistics package over the course of the semester. You'll have to remember, unfortunately, loading it once in this session of Octave if I restart Octave. So let me do that. Exit, restart it again. Package list, I'll see it's no longer loaded, and so I'll have to either remember to load it, package load statistics, package list, so I'll have to remember to load the statistic package every time I start Octave, or it's a little more convenient to actually put it into a file that's automatically run every time I start Octave, so it'll be automatically loaded. So when you first start Octave, it'll start up in what's known as your Octave home directory. For me, you see it's on my C drive, C users, AR63, which is my Windows username. So this is my Octave home directory, and I can create a file here. It's the Octave startup file that contains some commands that are automatically run. So I'll do that from the command window here. I'll type edit, and then it's dot or period Octave RC. The RC stands for run command. So dot Octave RC. And then I get this little prompt. It doesn't exist. Do I want to create it? Yes, I do. I want to make sure it's actually created in the same home directory, and that's so I got this save dialog. Again, the file name should be .octaverc, so save, and it opens up. It opens up in the editor tab for me, and then now I just want to type package load statistics. And I can put a semicolon after it. It doesn't really matter here. And then press, either click on the, go up and click on save, or the save icon, or save from the menu. Now that we've saved it, I can delete it, not close the window, go back to the command window. So notice here at the bottom in Octave, I've got 3 tabs for the command window, the editor window, which I'll be using quite a lot, and then the documentation window, which has all the GNU documentation. So in particular, you may want to look through like some of the getting started information here. Talks a little bit about Octave. Okay, and then going back to the command window. Now if I close Octave and restart it. Hopefully now, since I've got that .octave.rc file created, when I do a package list, I'll see that the statistics package and the IO package are automatically loaded for me every time I start Octave. I could put other commands in the .octave.rc file if I want to have them automatically run every time I start up Octave, but that's all we need, I think, for this class.